We all remember when cloud infrastructure felt manageable, but as organizations add multiple providers, edge computing, and hybrid deployments, that simple setup explodes into a massive, tangled web of overlapping environments. For engineering leaders, trying to untangle this mess means wading through thousands of cloud-native tools and newly minted AI integrations. The sheer volume of options creates decision paralysis. Pick the wrong set of tools, and you commit your team to months of wrestling with incompatible APIs, writing custom glue code, and burning through your engineering budget. Migrating to a unified AI-assisted platform is the only way to manage the scale. But getting there requires navigating a steep barrier to entry, forcing teams to make high-stakes architecture choices right now. This decision tree weighs the friction of a new tool against its long-term leverage. You can stick with manual workflows and burnout, or pay an upfront setup cost, implementation time, learning curves, and maintenance to buy automated scaling, cost reductions, and a permanent boost to engineering velocity. We are going to apply this lens to the 4 mandatory tools of the year: Backstage, AWS Sage, Carpenter, and Argo CD. Our goal is to ignore the marketing copy and calculate exactly what these platforms cost to implement in hours and dollars, so you know exactly which ones your team actually needs. Originally developed at Spotify, Backstage has become the industry standard internal developer portal. It takes fragmented operations and unifies them into a single interface. This ROI scorecard illustrates the trade-off. Expect heavy upfront input, weeks of setup, specialized engineers, and constant maintenance. But this yields a single pane of glass for catalogs, provisioning, and cost tracking. By centralizing guardrails, organizations cut developer onboarding from weeks to days. While the maintenance burden is heavy for small startups, organizations scaling past 20 engineers require this centralized control to maintain operational order. Bringing AI assistance into cloud operations traditionally means using the AWS Labs approach, requiring 15 separate model context protocol servers just to cover basic services. While the lab setup is chaotic, AWS Sage consolidates AI interactions through a single fast MCP server. This single-node architecture enables cross-service intelligence, mapping out resource dependencies natively. 30 minutes of manual log checking collapses into a single automated response from one prompt. Exposing your architecture to an LLM requires strict safety trade-offs. AWS Sage enforces hard-coded deny lists and distinct safety modes to prevent destructive commands reaching production. Accepting those strict limitations on raw execution is the exact price you have to pay to safely buy that level of incident response speed. The top FinOps mandate this year is clear. Organizations must rein in out-of-control compute costs, and they have to do it without sacrificing application performance. This ROI scorecard outlines Carpenter's adoption friction, abandoning static node groups and refactoring infrastructure for just-in-time provisioning. In return, Carpenter dynamically provisions the exact compute required for pending pods in seconds. This exact matching yields a massive 60 to 90% savings on compute spend. Spending weeks refactoring infrastructure hurts in the short term, but is instantly justified the moment you see the permanent reduction on your next cloud bill. We are also seeing a complete industry migration away from legacy push-based pipelines. Organizations are standardizing on a pull-based, declarative GitOps model. Argo CD is the engine driving this, providing the architecture to manage over 500 clusters across multiple cloud providers from a single control plane. But GitOps has a steep input cost. To use it securely, you must overhaul your secrets management, integrating external tools so you aren't storing plain text credentials in Git. That friction is offset by Argo CD's native features, built-in role-based access control and audit logging, ensuring your deployments meet strict enterprise compliance standards right out of the box. If you need massive deployment scale, Argo CD is mandatory, but you only realize that value if your team completely rebuilds their security workflows. This scenario match matrix maps adoption to team maturity. Under 15 engineers, avoid Backstage and GitOps to maintain velocity. FinOps teams should prioritize Carpenter to rapidly recoup refactoring costs. Alert-fatigued SREs can implement AWS Sage to cut investigation time safely. There is no universal stack. The right choice depends entirely on which operational bottleneck is currently suffocating your team. The manual workflows that worked in 2022 simply cannot survive the multi-cloud complexity of 2026. That time spent on configuration, testing safety limits, and fighting through learning curves represents a strategic purchase of future velocity. Organizations that refuse to pay this upfront cost will inevitably be crushed by tool fragmentation, endless alert fatigue, and spiraling compute budgets. The teams that win in 2026 are the ones who strategically spend their engineering hours today to purchase automation and leverage for tomorrow.